In a peaceful mountain village, young Miko lived with her grandmother. Every day, brave Miko collected firewood from the forest alone. One afternoon, she heard a strange sound near the river. Behind the rocks, she discovered an injured golden eagle. The magnificent bird's wing was badly broken and bleeding slightly. Hoshi looked at her with fearful yet hopeful eyes. Miko rushed home, but villagers warned her sternly against helping. "Eagles are dangerous predators. Stay away, child," they shouted fearfully. But Miko's kind heart couldn't abandon the suffering creature. Secretly that night, she brought Hoshi to her small room. Gently, she cleaned and bandaged the broken wing with cloth. She offered water and seeds, whispering softly, "You're safe now." Days passed as Miko secretly nursed Hoshi back to health. Slowly, trust grew between the brave girl and wild bird. Grandmother knew about Hoshi, but smiled, trusting Miko's pure heart. After 3 weeks, Hoshi's wing healed strong and healthy again. Then one dark evening, massive storm clouds gathered ominously overhead. Heavy rain pounded down as terrible winds howled through the mountains. Grandmother had gone to market but hadn't returned home yet. The mountain roads collapsed. Landslides blocked all the village paths. Young Miko cried desperately, not knowing how to help grandmother. Suddenly, Hoshi hopped closer and gently touched her trembling hand. Miko looked up, tears streaming, and saw intelligence in Hoshi's eyes. A brilliant idea sparked. She tied her red ribbon around Hoshi's neck. "Please find my grandmother, Hoshi. You're my only hope," she pleaded. Hoshi seemed to understand completely and spread his powerful wings. Miko opened the window as Hoshi launched into the raging storm. Through lightning and fierce winds, brave Hoshi soared over mountains. His sharp eyes scanned everywhere, searching desperately through the darkness. Finally, near collapsed bridge, he spotted grandmother trapped and alone. Dottie looked up hopefully as the magnificent bird circled overhead. Hoshi cried out loudly, his powerful voice echoing through the valleys. The village rescue team heard the strange cries and followed them. They discovered grandmother just in time before the ground collapsed. As dawn broke, Miko ran crying with joy to grandmother's arms. "You saved me, dear one," Dottie whispered, holding Miko tight. Miko pointed skyward, where Hoshi circled gloriously in golden sunlight. The eagle called one final time, then soared towards the distant peaks. "Kindness always returns, my child," grandmother said, eyes glistening with wisdom. Miko smiled, knowing their friendship would last forever in her heart.